Michelle. Welcome to Eurasia Research interview session for the Eminent person. First of all, many congratulations on being selected as the Eminent person for the conference. And
thank you very much.
So I would like to ask you to introduce yourself to all the participants from our various conferences and give them a small brief about your research.
I'd like to greet everyone. Good afternoon here from the Philippines. So I am Michelle Duma, once again from the Philippines. Currently, I am working at the Department of Education, Schools Division of Quezon Province. I am appointed as Education Program Specialist under the School Governance and Operations Division. Primarily, my work focuses on human resource development. Specifically, my job is to provide technical support in the provision of professional and career development for our employees. So, concurrent to my position as Education Program Specialist for Human Resource Development, I am also designated as the Division Gender and Development Coordinator. And my tasks related to this includes overseeing the programs, projects, and activities of the Schools Division, and assess the gender responsiveness of those programs. Besides my job as education specialist, I am also working as part-time college instructor, teaching mathematics and education subjects. When it comes to my academic profile, I earned my master's degree in education with specialization on educational management. And currently, I am completing my doctoral degree with specialization also in educational management. With regards to the conference organized, which I participated last time, I presented my research on developing gender mainstreaming plan for gender-responsive public schools in the DepEd Division of Quezon Province. Specifically, the study focuses on assessing the gender responsiveness of the public schools in terms of the 4 critical entry points which were identified by the Philippine Commission on Women, such as policies, PPAs, or same as the programs, projects, and activities. We also have the people and enabling mechanisms. Now, the said study also assesses the hindering factors of the public schools in implementing gender mainstreaming. So, it was found out in the study that there is really a need to enhance the implementation of gender mainstreaming among public schools, especially on their policies, PPAs, and enabling mechanisms. So it was then proposed to have a gender mainstreaming plan to serve as reference of the schools in the conduct of gender mainstreaming and help them to further improve the integration of gender perspectives on the said 4 critical entry points to gender mainstreaming. So that's about the research which I presented last time in your conference.
Thank you so much for the lovely introduction. Your presentation was really appreciated by the fellow participants as well as our keynotes. So that is why you have been selected as the Eminent. And Michelle, I would like to ask, what was your motivation, for your research? And what was motivating you? Because, because of this pandemic, the people are very depressed, and not depressed, I would say, but what made you motivated to, join a conference, present your research? What was it?
Okay, so unexpectedly, as we all know, so the COVID-19 suddenly changed the way of life of every individual around the world, and it caused greater impact on our communication and collaboration with other people. And most of us employed, or even those who are not employed, prefer to stay at home for health safety reasons. And at this particular scenario, I got a lot of motivation to conduct research to help our schools division continue to deliver quality education and services among our respective clientele in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic. And I decided also to participate in the conference so that I may be able to share the results of my study, not only here in the Philippines, but also in different parts of the country. Because I also believe that it would be more useful and would contribute a lot if you're going to share it through a conference where a lot of people would be able to see and hear the results of your study. So that's it.
What are your views on like online conferences? Because we are not able to conduct these physical conferences. So what was your experience in an online conference?
Well, of all the negative things that happened with the spread of COVID-19,
Yeah.
I also see the good side about it like this. So discovering that this is really possible to attend conference online wherever we are. And I prefer attending online conference rather than physical during the time of pandemic for, of course, health safety purpose.
Yes.
Aside from this, attending online conference is very much flexible, more flexible. So this is more time saving. You don't need to travel very far just to attend conferences like this. And this also cost saving because we don't need a lot of money to spend to just attend conferences like this at these days of pandemic because of the new modality of conducting a conference. So it also gives a lot of opportunity to people to attend international conference, even just staying at home.
Yeah. And would you, recommend your friends or colleagues to attend any conference online during this pandemic?
Yeah, of course. Actually, I am encouraging my colleagues to participate in conferences online because it would give them a lot of opportunity for networking and linkages around the world. So just like what you have given me this opportunity, this learning opportunity to share my research results in your conference. So that's why I really encourage my friends and colleagues to attend online conference.
Thank you so much, Michelle. Thank you for joining us with this session. And in last, I would like to ask any of suggestions or feedback that you would like to share with us for our conference.
Honestly, I'm a big fan of your organized conferences. I am really following your organization because I've seen a lot of different researches conducted by great researchers around the world that may also be considered here in our countries, especially in the field of education. And I also see a lot of learning opportunity from your conferences. Yeah, and I am just happy to recommend your conferences here in the Philippines to my colleagues and my co-researchers in education. So just keep on organizing conferences like this and keep on inspiring us researchers to contribute more to the growing body of knowledge. So I am deeply happy and thankful for giving me this learning opportunity to share my feedback in regards to your conferences. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Michelle. Thank you for your kind words. And it's our pleasure to have such amazing participants like you in our conference. Thank you so much, Michelle.